Hello everyone. So we have finished the first question of exercise 1.4 of real numbers in our previous video, and now we have to do the second question. This question we have to write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers which are given in question number 1, which have terminating decimal expansion. The first one now, it is 13 by 3125. We know this has 13 by 5 raised to the power 5. For finding out decimal expansion, let's have 13 by 5 raised to the power 5. I can multiply by 2 raised to the power 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this would be equal to 13 multiplied by 32, and in denominator we have 10 raised to the power 5. So this 13 2 is 26, 39 and 2 41 divided by 10 raised to the power 5. So its decimal expansion would be having 5 decimal points, 4, 1, 6 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 0 points. So this is the decimal expansion of 13 by 3125. Second part, it is 17 by 8, and we can do in two ways. Either we can do 17 by 8, I can write down as 2 cube. So I can multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 cube. So this would be 125 into 17 and divided by 10 cube. So this can be written as 85, 34, 42, 17 and 4, 21 by 10 cube. So this I can write down as 2.125. The other way we can do is we can divide 8, 17. So we have 8 2 times 16, then 1 decimal point 0 1 8, then 2 0 2 times 16, then we have 4, so 5 times 40. So both ways will get 2.125 as the answer. Third part, 64 by 455, and this we can write down as 64 by 5 into 7 into 13. So we can say it is non-terminating, repeating decimal expansion. Fourth part, it is 15 by 1600. This can be written as 15 by 16 is 2 raised to the power 4, and this is 10 square. So this we can write down as 15 into 5 raised to the power 4, multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 5 raised to the power 4. So this would be equal to 15 into 625, and this would be 10 raised to the power 4 into 10 raised to the power 2. This is equal to 15 5 is 75, and 37 3 93 divided by 10 raised to the power 6. This can be written as 0.009375. That's the answer. Fifth part, it is 29 by 343. This can be written as 29 by 7 cube. So we can say it is a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Sixth part, it is 23 by 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 2. So to write down in decimal expansion, we can multiply this by 5 and even the denominator by 5. So we get 5 3 times 15 and 115 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. This can also be written as 115 by 10 raised to the power 3. So we need 3 decimal points and there are 3 digits, so it will be equal to 0.115. Seventh part, it is 129 by 2 square into 5 raised to the power 7 into 7 raised to the power 5. So it has factors other than 2 and 5 also. So therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Eighth part, it is 6 by 15. We can write down 3 into 2 and 3 into 5. This gets cancelled, so we get 2 by 5. So decimal expansion would be 0.4. Ninth part, it is 35 by 50. We have a 5 factor common, so 5 7 and 5 10. So this can be written as 0.7. 10th part, we have 77 by 210. Here also we have a common factor 7 11 times and 7 30 times. So we get 11 and 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. So we have a factor other than 2 and 5 also. So therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So we have finished second question of exercise 1.4. Next question we'll do in the next videos. So stay tuned and see you all.